Guys, welcome back to another video. I know I started this video off a bit different because it is early in the morning, but the Honda is finally done being sprayed. And you know, I've been keeping the color secret obviously, and I think it's about time we go and fetch the car. And before we go and fetch the car, I just want to thank you guys for all the support on all of my videos. You know, like with my video that I posted of the welding and things like that, I got a lot of support on most of my videos. You know, I get a lot of support. I just wanted to thank you guys. But yeah, let me just get dressed and get ready, and then we can leave. You guys may be wondering why it is nighttime, because I was a bit busy, you know. I know I recorded the intro in the morning, but now we're gonna go check out the car, and then tomorrow we're gonna go and fetch it. And yeah, I'm excited, guys, because I've seen photos of it on the car, but I haven't seen it in person. And we know in person it always looks like better or worse. I'm not sure though. But yeah, okay, guys, you are here now. I'm excited to see the car. I see it here by the door actually. Yeah. Oh. Oh guys, the car. Oh my. Yeah. Yo, I don't have like words. Oh my. And it looked nice with the beadings and the skirts. It's color coded. Plus I did the lights because I accidentally put engine cleaner on it. So guys, the car looked very nice. It looks like better than the photos even. Okay, so before we leave, just have to take a couple of things. I have to take the wheel brace shifter and a couple of spanners because the alignment is still out on the passenger side. I don't know what you call it, but I just know that it's kind of out. Guys, the Honda is back after all this time. Oh, I'm so happy. Can't wait until we put the engine in. If you did see the other videos, I did do the tappet cover over again. But yeah, it looks very nice. The paint, you know. But yeah, go and check out Probody Works. It is in the description below. I will link this stuff. Yeah. This is, oh my, this is, it's so nice. Like, it's just nice that the cars are so back, because the garage is so boring when it wasn't. Guys, no cats in the garage in the cars, yeah, just get in the cars. But yeah, I'm planning on getting maybe new wheels. I'm not sure when though, but I'd like to get different color wheel, maybe like the TE37, or even the, what's it, I don't know all the wheels names, but like a nice what's it, bronze, I'm not sure what the color's name is like exactly, but yeah, bronze color. wheel, because that would look nice on this. But yeah, so all we have to do next is engine in, wiring, and then put all the interior parts back in. It's gonna take real long to do that. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.